Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to select day or night mode in the Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. In the upper left corner of your screen, you'll notice three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main navigation menu. This is where you can access all of Waze's key features and customization options. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. This will take you into the settings panel where you can adjust various aspects of how Waze functions and displays information. The settings menu is essentially your control center for personalizing your Waze experience. Now, within the settings menu, locate and tap on Map Display. This section specifically controls how your map looks while you're navigating, including colors, themes, and visual preferences. It's where you can make Waze more comfortable for your eyes depending on the time of day or your personal preference. Inside the map display settings, you'll see an option labeled Dark Mode. Tap on it to access the day and night mode settings. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to switch between a brighter interface for daytime driving and a darker one for nighttime, reducing eye strain and improving visibility in different lighting conditions. Here you have two simple options to choose from. If you want to activate night mode, which gives you a darker interface that's easier on your eyes during evening drives, simply tap on. This will immediately change your map to the darker theme, making it much more comfortable to view in low light conditions. On the other hand, if you prefer the standard bright interface that's ideal for daytime use, just tap off. This will switch your map back to the regular day mode with lighter colors and higher contrast, which works better when there's plenty of natural light around you. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Waze display to match your preferred viewing mode, whether you're driving during the day or at night. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.